Hi guys, welcome to NNN Fitness. This is Jim Jack, our exercise tutorial series. Please make sure to read that disclaimer. Exercise demonstrated today is the dumbbell bent over row. This is a fantastic exercise, guys, for your lats and upper back, and it does work those arms a little bit and those shoulders too. So what you're simply going to do is, from a standing position with your feet square and your back straight, you're going to hip hinge over from the waist. That basically means to stick your glutes out, keep your head up, keep your chest up, keep your shoulders retracted, and we're going to row those dumbbells up and backwards. Notice that action is towards the back. I call this holstering the gun, okay? So we're going to pull those hands back, pull those elbows up, and squeeze the upper lat. So this is working your lats, a little bit of shoulder, a little bit of arms, but mainly we're working the latissimus dorsi, or the upper back. Try this exercise, guys. It's a nice, easy one that you can do from home. Thanks a lot. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.